Hey guys, are you tired of searching for the best driver updater and you got a lot of errors related to the driver updater? So sometimes you got the Wi-Fi connecting problems and sometimes you got the device connected problems. So these are all the problems. So what you have to do, you have to install the best driver. I will recommend you to install it and use it. Okay guys, so let's get started. So search for the driver pack solution. This is the best driver pack solution driver updater software which I have used. So here you can see driver pack will install driver for free. Yeah, this driver pack solution is 100% free and it has no premium options, so it will download easily and for free. So here you can see free and safe antivirus software and protects your computer for all devices. Yeah, it will be used for all devices. You can update any driver for the all of the devices. Here you can see it's suitable for any computer. So it is can be any brand or any company. It will download all the drivers related to it. Okay guys, so let's install it. Guys, this driver pack has a lot of versions, like three options for installing the driver. Here you can see driver pack online. It will automatically scan all the drivers in your PC and install it by internet using the internet. Here's the drawback offline network, which is only for the network solution, and the third is the drawback offline full. So this is the 22 GB and it has all the drivers related to any of the device, any of the driver. So it will install. I will install the online because online is the best option. Because you can see 22 GB, so it will take a lot of time. So I've installed the online version. So guys, the drawback solution has been installed. Let's open it. Yes, so it's now installing, like a little bit software, small software, so something to have to install. So now it has been opened, and guys, I will recommend you to select the expert mode. Here you can see run in the expert mode. So guys, you will see all the driver which you have to install, because if you don't select it, so it will automatically install all the drivers in its own. So I suggest you to run in the expert mode. It will be helpful for you.
Welcome to the expert mode. Here you can manage
Here
your
you can
computer
see
configuring in the least
mute
detail.
mode, so it will be muted. So guys, you can see all the drivers which is scanned by using the driver pack solution. Controller generic, mass storage and monitor generic driver, other device logical, video card, AMD. So guys, I will recommend you to install the graphic card drivers from its official website, because I am recently installing from the driver pack solution, so it is stuck in the installing process. So guys, I will recommend you to install it from the official website only for the graphic card drivers. Rest of all the drivers will be installed without any hassle and without any problem. So guys, let's select which driver you want to install. So I will deselect it because I said it, and deselect it too. So here you can see the software's protection and cleanup. So let's see it. So guys, sometimes it has been ticked by its own, so just uncheck if you don't want it. And here you can see protection antiviruses. So guys, it is install it automatically, so deselect it if you don't want it. And other option is also have, you can see all the diagnostics related to the PC. So here you can see all the diagnostics available. You can see all of them. You cannot see in the computer properties, so you can see here. Okay, so select the drivers. I'll select all these three drivers and just uncheck if you don't want any drivers. So let's install it and see how it's processed. And guys, this software don't take a long time. It will be done in the in few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, not long. So let's reboot it. So guys, after rebooting, it will do some configuration. It will show the configuring your screen, configuring your driver. So you will have to wait for a while. It will be configured, and it will ask for some options which you have to do, like clean the junk files, or how do you like the driver solution. So after that it will be done, and you will be in the desktop. So guys, that's for all, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and please subscribe. Okay guys, bye.